8I, and Vice Captain Zainab Suleiman 8S. Yellow is the most luminous, the color of happiness, optimism and enlightenment. Just like their house color, the Panthers display an aura of uniqueness and distinctiveness that lead them to be champions. Ladies and gentlemen, please embolden our young challengers with your heartening applause.
Next in line are our knights in shining armor. The knights are being led by sports teacher Saneemullah, followed by Sadia Halima Qazi. And the flag bearers are sports captain Hamza 8C and vice captain Ahmed Mujtaba Rahmani 7C. Our knights are dressed in red, the color that signifies strength, power and energy. It is the color of fire, and the athletes in red display a fiery enthusiasm that is estimable. A huge round of applause for our knights.
Go Knights! Next at your side, being led by sports teacher Nansima Alam, followed by leading person Dania Khan A2. Dressed in blue are the combatants of ICAS, the lion-hearted daredevils, the Warriors! Flag bearers for Warriors are sports captain Ali Sultan 8C and vice captain Fariza Ali 8C. Unlike all the colors which exhibit dominance and phenomenal energy, the color blue signifies calm authority. The Warriors are known to act and perform using their intelligence, keeping the emotions aside. The color symbolizes wisdom, confidence, and stability. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to our stout-hearted Warriors!
Marching with the SSI, dressed in scintillating orange, are the Jaguars. The dazzling Jaguars dressed in orange are being led by sports teacher Saqib Mehmood, followed by leading person Hajra Ahmed A2. Flag barriers for Jaguars are sports captain Arshna Zafar 8I and vice captain Baheen Yusti 7I. Orange combines the energy of red, the happiness of yellow, and is associated with joy, sunshine, and enthusiasm. Jaguars represent fascination, determination, and stimulation. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a very big hand to our young contenders.
Go Jaguars! Ladies and gentlemen, a healthy competitive environment ensures the most cherished results. The parade connotes that all four houses are going to compete for the trophy with immense exultation, eagerness and jubilation, demonstrating their best team spirit and sportsmanship. Please give a huge round of applause to our enthusiastic athletes.